How I can set Prettier as a default formatter. In Visual Studio Code, there is different code formatter, but how I can configure that the Visual Studio Code, the code formatter or default code formatter is Prettier. So let's move to Visual Studio Code and check how we can apply that. Here in Visual Studio Code, I will access the settings by press Ctrl and comma. Then I will search in the setting on a setting called Editor Default Formatter. So I will write here Editor Default Formatter. From this drop down menu, choose Prettier code formatter, and just left click and that's it.